Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it for notification. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you another easy colorful eye makeup look using just two colors. If you're interested, then keep watching. And all the products that I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below as always. So let's get going. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls Pro Conceal in medium beige and apply it all over my lid so that the colors don't budge, and I'm going to set it with setting powder in translucent by Colourpop. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use this beautiful green color, teal green I would say, and apply it all over my lid until I'm happy with the intensity of that color. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a clean blending brush and blend out the edges so that there are no harsh lines or harsh edges. I'm going to reapply that same color on my lid once again because while blending it the color faded off. So for my brows, I'm going to use Sugar's Arch Arrival Brow Definer in Cherry Brown, and as you all know by now, I like to just fill in the sparse areas of my brows. For my under eyes, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's concealer in medium tawny. I'm going to apply just a little bit of product, not too much product because I have dry under eye, and I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender, and I'm going to set it with the same translucent powder by Colourpop. I'm going to use a dabbing motion here, and for that bright pop of color, I'm going to use NYX Vivid's Bright in Vivid Violet, and I'm going to apply a wing liner. I'm going to use Gigi Hadid's Maybelline Kohl liner and apply it in my waterline, and for my lower waterline, I'm going to use Nicka's Auto Liner in Royal Purple, and I'm going to smoke it out as well just to add a pop of color. To define my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to use Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette once again, and I'm going to use the shade Beam and highlight my inner corner and brow bone area. I'm going to curl my lashes and add a good coat of mascara by Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. Once you're done with this, you can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. And this is the final look, you guys. Very easy, colorful eye makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. There are many more eye makeup tutorials on my channel and nail art tutorials, so don't forget to check that out. And guys, show some love and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, take care. Bye.